In this video, I will share with you how to connect the laptop and desktop computer to the internet using your mobile phone.
I've seen a lot of change.
I show the sample. This computer doesn't have Wi-Fi connection, and the internet cable not working.
A lot of pain.
When your computer does not have a Wi-Fi connection, or its internet cable is not working, here is the solution. You just need your mobile phone to have an internet connection, data connection or Wi-Fi connection.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Using the data cable, connect the mobile phone to the computer USB port.
But all will be okay.
Once the USB connected to computer, some options prompt in your mobile. Tap the USB tethering.
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year.
Now, your computer is connected to the internet through your mobile phone.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's
So, what happened if I remove the USB data cable from the computer?
calling. I'll keep
The computer lost internet connection.
head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
Now, I put back the USB data cable to the computer.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same
The computer again connected to internet.
as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Once you switch off internet or data on your mobile phone, also computer lost internet connection.
Way back a year ago. Way back a year ago.